Hey friends, if you wish to print a landscape orientation on Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, first of all, you can change the layout. So, go to Layout, the Layout tab, and change the orientation from here. This has changed it to the landscape orientation, but this does not mean that it will also print in the landscape orientation. You will have to buy a paper of the same size because the paper also matters here, right? Now, once you have purchased the paper, it's not an A4 size and all, it is somewhat in the landscape size, then click on File, select Print, make sure that landscape orientation is selected here, then check the orientation here. Is it the right size? Check it in the print preview. Is it like in line with all of that? Once you have confirmed all of these things, then you can click on print and then you can print it to your printer. But again, the paper size matters. If not, it will still print it in kind of portrait mode, or it will reduce the size. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.